I currently on contract a J-1 visa internship contract, right? And I'm trying to get my 2-year rule
Right.
waive before I go back to Jamaica. I've changed my status to like an H2B rather than
What
going
is
back
your
to
question? You have a
Jamaica.
2-year home residence requirement. You don't want to go home. What is your question?
Yes. I want to get it waived before I can apply for a different status in
So
America.
this is how you waive it. One of three ways. Okay. Let's see. One, two, four ways to do it. One is you get a no objection letter from Jamaica that says they don't care whether you go back or not. And as long as the U.S. government didn't pay for your program here, they generally approve the no waiver, no objection letter. Two, you're doing something for the U.S. government, and the U.S. government files an interested government waiver for you that the U.S. government wants you to stay here. Three, you show hardship to your spouse or your children that are here, that they would suffer a hardship if you had to go home for 2 years. Four would be that a lot of times, especially in Jamaica, but around the world, they give you a 2-year home residence requirement based on a skills list, and you're not on that skills list. I'll give you a perfect example. I had a guy from Jamaica who came on a J-1 visa and worked at Great Adventure, and he was taking the tickets, before the person went on the ride. And he came on a J visa. Great Adventure, amusement park in New Jersey sponsored him, and he had a 2-year home residence requirement. And I looked at it and I said, "What were you coming here to do?" He goes, "I was the ticket taker." And I said, "And you're saying to me in Jamaica that this is a skill that is required in Jamaica to take tickets in an amusement park? That Jamaica's lacking this person for these skills?" And we looked it up, and the embassy just completely blew it. And they made a mistake. There's a skills list for each country, and if that particular skill is not on that skills list, even though they say you have a 2-year home residence requirement, you just argue, "I'm not on the skills list. I don't know what you're talking about." And then you just make your application. So those are your options. I don't know what you were coming here to do, what your program was, but those are your options, and we can look at it further. So hold on one second.